8 p.m. The water temperature at Galveston Bay entrance was 50 degrees. 11 p.m. observations at Houston Bush Intercontinental, clear. Temperature 37, dew point 25, relative humidity 61%. Wind southwest at 6 miles an hour, wind chill 32. Pressure 30.35 inches and steady. At Galveston, clear. Temperature 42, dew point 31, relative humidity 64%. Wind south at 5 miles an hour. Pressure 30.37 inches and steady. Other regional observations. Skies ranged from clear to partly cloudy. It was 35 at Hobby Airport, 31 at Huntsville, 26 at Conroe, and 34 at Tomball. Dallas-Fort Worth reported 34, College Station reported 36, and San Antonio reported 40. Coastal stations, it was clear. It was 31 at Lake Charles, 37 at Beaumont, 36 at Corpus Christi, 34 at Victoria, and 35 at Palacios. The buoy reports 20 miles east of Galveston, winds were east at 8 knots. Air temperature 47. 60 miles south of Freeport. Air temperature 51. The forecast for Houston and the surrounding areas. Rest of tonight, mostly clear. Lows in the lower 30s. South winds around 5 miles per hour early in the evening, shifting to the northwest after midnight. Sunday, mostly sunny. Highs in the mid-50s. Southeast winds around 5 miles per hour. Sunday night, mostly clear early in the evening, then becoming partly cloudy in the evening, then becoming mostly cloudy after midnight. Lows in the upper 30s. North winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. Monday, partly cloudy early in the morning, then becoming mostly sunny. Highs in the upper 50s. North winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. Monday night, clear. Lows in the mid-30s. North winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. Tuesday, sunny. Highs in the lower 60s. Tuesday night, clear. Lows in the upper 30s. Wednesday, sunny. Highs in the mid-60s. Wednesday night, mostly clear. Lows in the upper 30s. Thursday, mostly sunny. Highs in the upper 60s. Thursday night, mostly clear. Lows around 40. Friday, sunny. Highs in the upper 60s. Friday night, clear. Lows in the mid-40s. Saturday, mostly sunny. Highs in the lower 70s. The coastal waters forecast for the following coastal location: Galveston Bay. Rest of tonight, southeast winds around 5 knots, becoming northeast after midnight. Bay waters smooth. Sunday, northeast winds 5 to 10 knots, becoming southeast in the afternoon. Bay waters smooth. Sunday night, northeast winds around 5 knots, becoming north after midnight. Bay waters smooth. Monday, north winds around 10 knots. Bay waters smooth is slightly choppy. Monday night, north winds 10 to 15 knots. Bay waters slightly choppy. Tuesday, north winds 5 to 10 knots, becoming south in the afternoon. Bay waters smooth. Tuesday night, south winds 5 to 10 knots, becoming southwest after midnight. Bay waters smooth. Wednesday, west winds around 5 knots, becoming southwest in the afternoon. Bay waters smooth. Wednesday night, west winds around 5 knots, becoming north after midnight. Bay waters smooth. Thursday, north winds 5 to 10 knots. Bay waters smooth. Thursday night, north winds 5 to 10 knots. Bay waters smooth. The coastal waters forecast for the following coastal location: coastal waters from High Island to Freeport, Texas, out 20 nautical miles. Rest of tonight, east winds 5 to 10 knots. Seas 1 to 2 feet. Sunday, east winds 5 to 10 knots. Seas 1 to 2 feet. Sunday night, northeast winds 5 to 10 knots becoming north 10 to 15 knots after midnight. Seas 1 to 2 feet. A slight chance of showers in the late evening and overnight. Monday, north winds 10 to 15 knots. Seas 1 to 2 feet. A slight chance of showers. Monday night, north winds 15 to 20 knots decreasing to 10 to 15 knots after midnight. Seas 1 to 2 feet. Tuesday, north winds 10 to 15 knots becoming east 5 to 10 knots in the afternoon. Seas 1 to 2 feet. Tuesday night, south winds 5 to 10 knots becoming southwest after midnight. Seas 1 foot. Wednesday, west winds 5 to 10 knots becoming southwest in the afternoon. Seas 1 foot. Wednesday night, southwest winds 5 to 10 knots becoming north after midnight. Seas 1 foot. Thursday, northeast winds 10 to 15 knots. Seas 1 to 2 feet. Thursday night, north winds 10 to 15 knots. Seas 1 to 2 feet. The coastal waters forecast for the following coastal location: waters from High Island to Freeport, Texas, extending from 20 to 60 nautical miles. Rest of tonight, east winds 5 to 10 knots. Seas 2 to 3 feet. Sunday, east winds 5 to 10 knots. Seas 1 to 2 feet. Sunday night, northeast winds 10 to 15 knots becoming north 15 to 20 knots after midnight. Seas 2 to 3 feet. A slight chance of showers in the evening. A chance of showers after midnight. Monday, north winds 15 to 20 knots. Seas 2 to 3 feet. A chance of showers early in the morning, then a slight chance of showers in the late morning and afternoon. Monday night, north winds 15 to 20 knots. Seas 2 to 3 feet. Tuesday, north winds 10 to 15 knots decreasing to 5 to 10 knots in the afternoon. Seas 2 to 3 feet. Tuesday night, southeast winds around 5 knots becoming southwest after midnight. Seas 1 to 2 feet. Wednesday, northwest winds 5 to 10 knots becoming west in the afternoon. Seas 1 foot. Wednesday night, southwest winds 5 to 10 knots becoming northwest after midnight. Seas 1 foot. Thursday, northeast winds 10 to 15 knots. Seas 1 to 2 feet. Thursday night, north winds 10 to 15 knots. Seas 1 to 2 feet. This is the 3:45 p.m. Upper Texas Coast Tide information for Galveston Channel. Tide times for today: high tide at 7:58 p.m. On Sunday, low tide at 2:28 a.m. High tide at 8:52 a.m. Low tide at 2:09 p.m. High tide at 8:11 p.m. For Clear Lake entrance, tide times for today: low tide at 6:41 p.m. On Sunday, high tide at 1:17 a.m. Low tide at 7:27 a.m. High tide at 2:56 p.m. Low tide at 7:24 p.m. For Port O'Connor, tide times for today: high tide at 9:07 p.m. On Sunday, low tide at 3:31 a.m. High tide at 10:09 a.m. Low tide at 2:23 p.m. High tide at 8 p.m. The water temperature at Galveston Bay entrance was 50 degrees. 11 p.m. observations at Houston Bush Intercontinental, clear. Temperature 37, dew point 25, relative